Hello, ladies and gents. In this episode, I'm going to turn a pen from this um, red Australian Mallee burr. I've already, as you can see, glued the brass tubes in there. It's a 7mm hole. Uh, what I always do is I sand the tubes a little bit, not too much though, just so you have scratches all around the tube. And I think that's better when you glue it, CA glue it to the blank, because you're not going to be seeing that it's not a resin, see-through resin, so it doesn't matter, just make sure to do that. I've got this new pen mandrel. My old one was this one. I didn't like it, and I also purchased this pen saver, they call it. What it is instead of applying force to the mandrel to keep it going, keep it centered, you apply pressure onto the bushings and the piece. It's actually, I think, they say it's much better. You're not gonna bend this mandrel, and you'll have a nice true pen, not off-center pens, so yeah. I've already turned one pen before, but as you can see, it's got dirt on it, so just I want to have this one on the front. By the way, I'm making one of those twist pens. I don't need this then. I think, I haven't used this. This is new to me, so I'm not sure really, but the point is to put pressure on the bushing, so I don't think I need those that washer. So I'm just gonna tighten this and tighten that. Oh yeah, that's solid now. turned out very nice. This bear always surprises me, and that's just with the Yorkshire grit. Put such a shine. I've sanded to 400, and with this Yorkshire grit is technically 1000 grit. So what I'm going to do is apply microcrystalline wax, three coat of it, but very thin. So guys, I've decided to change this shape here because it's way too big. That's better. I'm gonna sand that now, and I'll come back once I'm fitting them together. That's it. So I'm gonna start first by assembling after that. You got this mechanism that this part fits into. So this brass side needs to go here up to this line, but it's best to go just a little bit before that. Try your cartridge, see if how much it comes out after you twist it. If you're happy with it, you know, leave it as that. If you're not, just push it a bit further. I think that's fine. So I can leave that like that. You've got also this centerpiece, so just push this down like that. got a tip cover on it, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Please leave comments below or show pictures of your pens. I'd love to see them. Yeah. That's all. Please do subscribe and like the video, it helps a lot. And thank you to all of you for watching the past videos. Appreciate it. I've also had a sticker, I almost forgot. Here it is, from NZ Wood Turning. Nick, thank you very much for sending these stickers. I will have them on my wall. He also sends the Maker's Central logo. Guys, go over there and check him out. He organized this event, and it's gonna be this year on May, I think, but he will give more information on his Waffle Wednesdays. So yeah, if you want to know more about it, obviously go on his website, makerscentral.co.uk. So yeah, you can book a ticket and head over there. Waffle, keep calm and waffle on. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.